I'm gonna cook outside, trying to avoid the smoke inside the house. Okay. I should probably do this with two. Two hands, but here we go. I'm gonna do at least 4 minutes on this side. First side's done. There's no smoke in my house. Added some onions to it for the last 3 minutes. This is nice and juicy. I already ate a piece. Put some onions on it. Yes, I'm using my fingers. It's my steak. I ate it the way I want it. Oh, this is so good. And the good thing is, there's no smoke in my house. Perfect. I will do this more often.